Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your OKX account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the OKX application on your smartphone, and if you have not logged into your account already, you will be asked to log in first. So go ahead and use your credentials to log into your account, and once you have logged in, you will be taken into this homepage. Now from this page, tap on the menu icon at the top left corner and you will be taken into the menu page. From this page, tap on your profile at the top section. Now from the user center, go ahead and tap on the security tab and then tap on security center. Now within this page, if you scroll all the way down, you will find the freeze as well as close account option. Go ahead and tap on it, and now you have two different options once again. If you tap on freeze account, this will temporarily deactivate your account and you can access it by logging in once again. If you tap on close account, it will permanently delete your account and it can never be restored. If you really wish to delete your account, go ahead and tap on close account and you might be asked for a final confirmation and a verification using your seed or key. After completing this step, your account will permanently be deleted on OKX. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete your account on OKX. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.